What if your car breaks down tomorrow? Right now, 40% of people can't cover a surprise $400 bill without going into debt. That's a financial tightrope with no safety net. But what if I told you that in just 90 days, you could build that net? Here's how to save your first $1,000. 3 simple steps. First, you need to cut one thing ruthlessly. Go through your last month's bank statement. Find the leak. Is it the daily $7 toffee? That's $1,800 a year. The streaming service you forgot about? The constant food delivery? Pick one and cancel it today. That money is now yours. Second, make saving invisible. You need to save about $77 a week. Open a separate, high-yield savings account. Now, set up an automatic transfer from your checking to that savings account for $77, scheduled for the day you get paid. Pay yourself first. You can't spend what you never see in your main account. It's that simple. Third, add a small income boost. This isn't a new career, it's a quick cash injection. Sell those old electronics cluttering your closet on Facebook Marketplace. Offer to pet sit for a neighbor going on vacation. Drive for a food delivery app for just a few hours on a Saturday. An extra $30 to $50 a week is all you need to supercharge your goal. Look, this isn't just about saving $1,000. This is about building a wall between you and life's next emergency. This money is your first real taste of financial freedom. It's the buffer that stops a flat tire from becoming a credit card nightmare. You're not just saving money, you're buying peace of mind and proving to yourself that you are in control. This is your first milestone, the first of many.